Let's go. I done lost a lot of people this year. Can't believe this life that I'm living right here. Told me that I wasn't living right, so I got on my knees and I prayed that night, and I prayed to Christ, and I asked him why. All the good people just had to die, and it done passed me by, it done passed me by, and it done passed me by. Can't believe I changed my life for the better. Tryna do everything right and live better. Tryna grind hard, tryna get this cheddar, but the Grim Reaper double on my back won't let up. And I've been doing this for a minute, stuck in this life like I got a life sentence. Playing this game and I'm playing it to win it, playing it to win it until I finish. I ask why. Why they hating so hard on a person who grinding? Why it's taking so long for me to be shining? When them haters be talking and I never ever mind them. Why I gotta wait so long, why I keep on grinding? And I'ma keep putting it down for sure. I'ma keep grinding, gotta let them know that I'm headed to the top and I never let it go. And I never let it go. R.I.P. to Mike Jack. Wish we coulda had Mike Jack back. I'm just tripping on that. Say, why they don't wanna see us do good? I say, why they don't want us all like the hood? Why they don't wanna let up on us in? Grind full time, can't quit it. On my grind and I gotta go and get it. So I turned up my grind, gotta go with it. Gotta come a little harder. Gotta show them people that I'm working a little smarter. I ain't got a son, I ain't even got a daughter. Wonder what this life is like. Got me praying rights. Playing this game and I'm playing it to win it, playing it to win it until I finish. I ask why. Why they hating so hard on a person who grinding? Why it's taking so long for me to be shining? When them haters be talking and I never ever mind them. Why I gotta wait so long, why I keep on grinding?